Hello good people, welcome back to yet another video. And I in particular, I am very much excited about this video because we finally get to start the Python interpreter and then play with it. Now I want to show you one way of starting the Python interpreter, which is starting it in interactive mode. And in a subsequent video I'm going to show you how you can start the interpreter and pass it your source code. Okay, so if you're on Windows, you want to open your command prompt, and if you're on a Macintosh or a Unix system like mine, you want to open your terminal. Okay, and so in the terminal, all that you have to do to start your Python interpreter in interactive mode is to type the command Python and press enter. Remember that anytime you type a command inside your terminal or in the command prompt, it only gets executed after you press enter. Okay, so this is it. We have Python ready to accept instructions from us and execute it. And the way you know you are seeing the Python interpreter is, first of all, you're going to see some information about the Python version that you have installed. And then we have this prompt here. It is 3 greater than symbols, and that is an indication that the Python interpreter is ready for instructions. Okay, so I'm going to give it some few instructions. You don't need to understand these instructions for now because we will deal with them later. Okay, so I'm going to print let's say I am a Python, sorry, let's give it a respect, Python programmer. When I do this, the interpreter will execute the instruction, and this instruction is basically telling the interpreter to print out what I put in code, and that is what it is doing there. So in case you're wondering, why would you want to ever use the Python interpreter in interactive mode? My simple answer is it comes in handy when you want to try out your ideas, or you want to try out simple commands, okay? Or you need to use it as a calculator. For example, I can do this times, let's say this, and it's going to execute that and give me the answer. So essentially everything we will learn about Python is applicable inside an interactive session. The difference between this and what you do by writing your source code in a file is this interactive mode basically runs a continuous loop where it is waiting for you to issue a statement, and the interpreter is going to take the statement and then it will execute it. And if the statement is a statement that produces an output, then you see the output immediately in your terminal. So this is a very simple thing, just about starting your interpreter in interactive mode. Thank you very much for watching this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can write our code in a test file and invoke the Python interpreter to execute the code in the test file. So see you soon in class again.